Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at these paper clips, and they also kind of fit this season because they are shaped as little crosses. And pretty much this is what this is all gonna be about. But I thought these are so cool um, to just clip around and I don't know, give it a little extra touch when you actually like hand out papers and have these on there. My students got really excited when they saw them. They liked them so much. They were like, "Oh, this is so cool! How, where, and how, and what, and all that." And from one side, it just looks like the regular paper clip, obviously, but on the other side, you actually do have your little cross, which is amazing to me. I don't know. I think it's super cool looking and a pretty neat idea. Yeah, and that's gonna be it for today, you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out. And I'm hoping you're having a great day ahead of you and to see you in the next one for sure. So, yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye.